Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix payment method decline on iPhone or iPad. So guys, when you want to purchase any app or game on App Store on your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue, that is payment method decline, tap continue to sign in, then update your billing info. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings here. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to scroll it down. From here you have to click on general, and guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back, and from here you have to select your region according to your country, set your date and time on automatically, and after this you need to check for software update. If you will find any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And after doing all these settings, you have to go back, and now you have to open your settings again. Click on your Apple ID name, and you will see here is the option of payment and shipping. So guys, simply you have to click on payment or shipping, and guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait for some seconds, and you will see a new interface. In that interface, if you have added any payment method already here, you need to remove that payment method, and you need to add a new payment method on your iPhone in Apple ID. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem and having this issue again and again, no need to worry. You have to open Safari browser here, and here you need to search support.apple.com. From here you have to select iPhone. If you're using iPad, you have to select your iPad gadget and scroll it down. You have to click on get support. You have to click on subscription and purchases, and from here you have to select update payment method, and now you have to click on continue, and you have to click on call us. And guys, you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.